Last time we were left off with this error, and in the previous video I said that we are going to tackle this in my future video, and that video is this one. And so what I would do, for instance, besides the error, I'm noticing that I'm also given a hint, and it says that consider using a positional argument. Consider using a positional formatting argument instead, 0 or something else. And so I did some very quick research, and I have discovered this page, which seems to provide some, I would say, exhaustive information about formatting. So basically, I have multiple approaches to solve this problem. And once again, my problem is that I want to display struct fields, but as it seems, it doesn't work this way for some reason. I'm pretty sure there is a logical reason for that. I would expect that, or if I recall correctly, because I think I've read it somewhere, what it is between the brackets, it has to be a variable name. And not a struct field. I suppose there is a difference between them. Anyway, so the way we could solve this would be maybe we could delete that, and we could do like u.username, and this should yield no errors, and it should work as expected. I'm going to comment that for a bit. What if we do something like this? Maybe we could add more. It's nice that we get the compiler error at this point. So I'm going to print the ID first, and then the username. And now it works as expected, which is nice. So we have used this approach. There is also this one in case you need to repeat the arguments, which is nice. Let's do like this. So I'm going to try this one as well. It has the ID of, and then I'm going to put 0 as well. And it works, and it's very nice. And lastly, what I wanted to check is also this one, in case you need named argument. So let's simply switch ID with username. Then I'm going to use ID as well, and then it should. Okay, now I also need to provide the values for the names. So it will be ID and username. Okay, and if I run this, now it works as expected. So we have solved the previous problem that we had. Lastly, I wanted to mention some very quick theoretical aspects that I've read about. So in this println, let me switch to a multi-line comment. So in println, this thing that we have here between the codes, so this one is called a marker or a format placeholder. I think it's useful to know such let's say theoretical aspects of any domain, because they might be referred very frequently, and I guess things will be easier to be understood further down the road if you have some theoretical knowledge. And lastly, I have also learned about this thing here, this colon followed by a question mark. This is called no, oops. This is called a format specifier, and we can use this because it is specific to the to the debug thread, which we have used here. So basically, by using this, we can use this format specifier, and as we've seen earlier, it works like this. Just a quick note on derive. I've read that it simply provides some basic implementation of this thread. So this is why we can use that specifier. What I've also read is that there is another specifier for the debug, which provides a way to pretty print a certain struct or an entity, and that requires just a simple modification, which is this one. And if we run the program now, we should see basically the same struct, but in a more pleasant way displayed. Okay, I think this was it for this video. Just a quick recap. I've learned about different ways to format, to organize your format when you want to print out some values. I've also learned about some technical terms such as markers or placeholder or format placeholders, also about format specifiers, and also about the way you can format your println arguments so that you can display certain things to the output depending on your use case. With this, I think this will be it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.